Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna show to you how to add a disclaimer, terms and policy page on Wix landing page. So basically what you have to do is simply go and click on edit site, and then you'll have to simply open the Wix website editor, and then after that what you have to do is simply create a new page. Now once you create that page, you'll have to simply name it privacy policy or whatever you want to use the page for, and you can use a privacy policy generator, which is free online. You can click on one of these, and basically you're gonna get one template. So as you can see, basically you have to fill in the necessary information on the right side bar and click generate at the end, and done. Your privacy policy has been generated. So as you can see on the right side, you can choose for what is needed, so website, and then here you have to simply enter your website URL link, and after that you have to enter your website name, and then here you have to choose if you are a business or individual, select the country and the state, and then click on next step. And then here you'll have to choose what kind of personal information do you collect from user, so you can choose any of these and click on next step. And then here, as you can see, how can users contact you for any questions regarding your privacy policy, and you can choose one of these, and basically you have to enter your email and click on next step. And then you have to simply basically accept all these requirements. I'm gonna go with no to all of them, and after that you have to simply, so let me go and choose this here and click on next step, and then here you have to simply click on generate. So let's enter our email address, and after that you'll have to simply click on generate, and basically that's, so as you can see, we have our privacy policy here. On, as you can see, we can simply copy the HTML code of your privacy policy and paste it in your website. So let's go back to Wix website, and then we have to simply go to pages. So click on manage pages, and then here we have to simply add a new page, and then here let's add a blank page, and after that we'll have to simply wait, and then here we can simply name it privacy policy, and then click on done. And then let's open this page to edit this page, and basically what you have to do is simply go on and add this link here. So let's copy this, and then we'll have to simply add the HTML code. So let's take a look at the HTML code. So let's see where it is. So input here, and let's go with embed code, and then embed HTML, and then simply paste in the code here and click on update. And after that, as you can see, we have our privacy policy, and we can simply resize this, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.